Hare Krishna. Is voice clear? Hope voice is clear. So today we are in Haridwar. Morning we reached here, we took Ganga Snan, and evening we performed special prayers and Aarti to Mother Ganges. Now we are in the mud here in Haridwar. It is called Madhav Kunj, and Shripad Bhaktivedanta Vishnu Maharaj is speaking now. He is glorifying Srila Bhaktivedanta Shripad Van Maharaj Ji. So Maharaj is telling that Shripad Bhaktivedanta Van Goswami Maharaj is so humble and down to earth, and he is preaching throughout the world the message of Krishna. We should learn from Maharaj Ji. Hare Krishna. Okay. So whenever we meet a Vaishnava, we should glorify him. So Maharaj Ji, mercifully he has come here to do his blessings. So we offer our respectful obeisance unto the lotus feet of Srila Maharaj. So from today, Purushottam Maas is starting. The speciality of Purushottam Maas is this. In Naradiya Puran, it is mentioned very elaborately. So Maharaj is narrating from Naradiya Puran. Lord Krishna himself said the glories of this Purushottam Maas, like how in the Kartik month and this Purushottam month, both are very special and highest, considered highest. And Purushottam Maas is even topmost. So Lord Krishna himself is telling this. Why? Because all the 12 months is not Nishkam, it's Sakam. But only this Purusham Maas is relaxing and Nishkam. And Smart Sampradaya Brahmins, they say they reject this Purushottam Maas. They consider this as Mal Maas. Because in Varnashram Dharma, 4 ashram and 4 ashrams, so they do not have any work in this particular month. They do not perform any austerity, they cannot perform any ceremonies. So they reject this month in Smart Sampradaya. But Lord Krishna is telling, no, it is not like this. So this Varnashram Dharma is just to attain the God, not that to enjoy these senses through this Varnashram Dharma. So Smarta Brahmins follow like this. But Krishna is telling this Varnashram Dharma is meant for self-realization. So Lord Krishna gave this month as Purushottam month. So we all should follow this. So one time Medana Rishi's daughter did not perform this Purushottam Mas properly, and Durvasa Maharshi cursed. And in the next life she became as Draupadi, and she has to accept 5 husbands, and she has to undergo with so many problems. So again Draupadi performed this Purushottam Vrat by the instruction of Lord Krishna. So especially in this particular month we should perform Bhagavat Nam Sankirtan Harinam. Donation, Havan, all these things are secondary. But residing under the guidance of sadhus and performing bhajan is main and prominent, and especially chanting Harinam. Because if we do Harinam individually, it's not pure. But if we stay under the guidance, under the association of Sadhu Sangh, and if we do Harinam, then it is pure. All the impurities will go out and the pure Nam will manifest in our heart. So Maharaj is telling 3 types of Nam. First is Shuddha Nam, second is Namabhas, and third is Namaparad. What is this Namaparad? Namaparad is so which is bounded with aparad and anartha. This is called Namaparad. And these people do not have ruchi to the Nam. And we people all perform this Namaparad. Even Namaparad has many kinds. One knowingly performing Namaparad, one unknowingly performing Namaparad, one by desire performing Namaparad, and one performing by without any desire. So by desire, if you're doing, he will fulfill his desire. And if without any desire he is performing Harinam, then he is going to heavenly planets. And Namabhas, in Namabhas, this aparad and anarth will go away, but you will not have the sambandh, the connection. Since this aparad is going out in Namabhas, you may get liberation, but not the love. And pure Nam, Shuddha Nam. So this Namabhas will get rid of this and you will have the connection, Sambandh. So until and unless this Sambandh is manifested, till then you cannot chant the Shuddha Nam. When you get the Sambandh, that is Shuddha Nam. And this, what is the benefit of this Shuddha Nam? That is Krishna Prem. So Rup Goswami is telling, like, when you do this Shuddha Nam, you will feel like you want thousands and thousands of years, thousands and thousands of mouth, tongue to chant this. And you will be always eager to release the transcendental mellows. So, when we can attend this Shuddhanam, this Shuddhanam is achieved only under the association and guidance of the pure devotees. So today Maharaj has come to our mutt, we will take his guidance and we will take his shelter and let the Naam manifest in our heart. Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
भक्ति
After many years, I coming now to Haridwar. You know or don't know when this mutt was established? When Srila Gurudev Srila Bhaktivinoda Goswami Maharaj, along with him, we had come here to this mutt and we had established DT installation. In 2007. This very beautiful temple in Haridwar. Somnath Prabhu, who is very near and dearmost to Srila Gurudev, his life and soul, he served Srila Gurudev. So, from that time, Pujapad Bhaktivedanta Vishnu Maharaj, his name was Radhesham before, Radhesham Prabhu. Prabhuji Maharaj was staying with us. Along with Param Gurudev, we used to stay together. After that, Srila Gurudev, to maintain this mutt, he sent Radhesham Prabhu or Pujapad Bhaktivedanta Vishnu Maharaj. Maharaj is taking care of this mutt very nicely. Sometimes Maharaj also goes for foreign preaching, Australia, Holland, and sometimes we meet there in Australia, Holland, and some other countries. And especially I am very happy today that Maharaji was Brahmachari before and he took sannyas. And once the sannyas is taken, it is considered he is Uttam Mahabhagavat. So we do not know which Vaishnava where he is there. My uncle, Srila Bhaktivedanta Madhusudan Maharaj ji bestowed sannyas upon this Prabhuji. Now he is 82 years and now he is maintaining the Devanand Gaudiya Mutt. Whenever we go to Navadvip, we have his darshan in Devanand Gaudiya Mutt, and he is also known as the maintainer of the Devanand Gaudiya Mutt. Although Srila Bhakti Pragrana Keshava Goswami Maharaj established Devanand Gaudiya Mutt, and so from that time Srila Madhusudan Maharaj was staying in the mutt and he was not living, he was serving the mutt there. And my Shiksha Guru Srila Nityalila Parishtam Vishnupad Ashtotra Srimad Bhaktivedanta Narayana Goswami Maharaj, he was so very near and dear to Maharaj. So Vishnu Maharaj took sannyas from such a Bhagavat. That is not an ordinary guru you will get from everyone, but having the darshan of Mahabhagavat and meeting Mahabhagavat is very rare. And especially from many time I had a desire that in Purushottam Mas I wanted to take bath in Ganges. Although I always be busy in preaching in the Western world, today by the mercy of the Lord, due to this Corona, after Gaur Purnima Navadip Parikrama, so no one was allowed to go outside of India. Everything was closed. So 3, 4, 5 months we stayed in Vrindavan. So from Mathura, Vrindavan, Mathura, we used to shift. So and I got in my mind also, this is Purushottam month. Let's go to Haridwar for some days and have darshan of Maharajji. And we will hear some Harikatha from his lotus mouth. So Vaishnav is always eager and he is always desire to hear Harikatha from the another Vaishnav. He is a Rasik Jan. And he is very humorous in his Harikatha, very humorous. In Australia one day he was doing Harikatha and many people was laughing. We both used to stay together in Australia 3-4 days. And today especially Purushottam month has begun. You all heard the glories of Purushottam Mas, and we should hear the glories of this Purushottam Mas, like how the glorification of the Dham. In the same way we should hear the glorification of this Purushottam Mas. What is this Purushottam Mas? The Uttam Purush is called Purushottam. And there are 3 Purush in the Shastras. One is Karanodakshaya Vishnu, one is Garbhodakshaya Vishnu, and one is Kshirodakshaya Vishnu. These are the 3 Purush. And one more Purush is there, topmost of these 3 Purush, that is Swayam Bhagavan Lord Krishna, Ishvara Parama Krishna, Sachidananda Vigraha, Anadiradir Govinda, Sarva Karana Karana. So in Tattva Vichar it is said, Sachidananda Swarup form, Lord Krishna is many part and parcels, incarnations. One is Baldev Prabhu, his incarnation, giving the Shiksha for the Jivas. And Sankarshan, Mool Sankarshan, Karanodakshai, Garbhodakshai, Kshirodakshai, in this way. So all these which are thoughts, many things are there about this. I am not going into detail due to time is not there. Like Chaturvyuha, Sankarshana, Pradyumna, Aniruddha, Vasudeva, Sankarshana, Pradyumna, Aniruddha. So today is such an auspicious day, the beginning of Purushottam month. So you all heard the glories of this month.
कितने महीने होते हैं
12.
हिंदू कैलेंडर में?
How many months in the Hindu calendar?
12 महीने
12 months.
12 महीने 12 months बैसाख जेठ आषाढ़ श्रावण भाद्र
Ashad, Shravan, Bhadra, Jeshta, Pausha, Chaitra. These are the names of the 12 months.
13 हो गए हाँ बड़े 13 महीने आ सकता है
But in this Purushottam month,
ये पुरुषोत्तम महीने
it is 13 months. This Purushottam month is not all the time.
3 साल के बाद
Sometimes 3 times, once in a 3 months. This Purushottam month is there.
और कितने महीने
3 months.
कितने साल के बाद
3 years. 3 years. After 3 years, this Purushottam months come.
शुरू होता है 2 साल
19,
महीने
2 years, 8 months, 16 days and some hours. This is the perfect calculation.
और 3 साल महीने क्योंकि हमारे हिंदू शास्त्र में
So on an average, once in 3 years, this Purushottam month is coming. So in the Hindu calendar, these months are calculated in 2 types. One is solar calculation,
प्रदिक्षण के लेकर के जो गणना होता है उसके कहा जाता है क्या
the solar calculation, keeping the sun in the center. And another is lunar count, keeping the moon in the center. They count the days as per the moon's directions.
सूर्य की गतिविधि के लेकर के जो गणना आती होती है
By sun's directions, they count, that is 365 days, 365 days.
चंद्र की गतिविधि
And lunars count, as per the lunars count,
कैलकुलेशन करते हैं उसमें होता है
in that 350, 354 354 days. 11 days there is a difference.
11 दिन तो ये 11 दिन कैसे कवर होगा
So how to cover this 11 days?
इसीलिए कहते हैं ये 11 दिन देखो ठीक 3 महीने 3 साल के बाद होता है तिथि होता है हर साल में
So after this 3 years, 11 days per year, if you calculate in this way, for 3 years, 33 days.
33 दिन तो इसी को जो है एक महीने अधिक
So this is called Adhik Mas, as per the Hindu calculations.
मास होता है 29 दिन में होता है
Adhik Mas means extra month.
31 दिन में होता है 30 दिन में
Some months are 21 days, some months are 28 days, some months 30 days.
कैलेंडर में कुछ महीने इसी प्रकार गणना नहीं होता
So our in Hindu calendar, this is the way it is calculated, not like the Western calendar.
कहा जाता है पुरुषोत्तम मास कहा जाता है
So this is called Purushottam Mas or Adhik Mas.
माल मास भी कहा जाता है
And it is also called Mal Mas. Mal means dirty,
अधिक नाम से
dirty month.
कहा जाता है
So there are different names for this month.
महीने की उत्पत्ति और ऐसे नामकरण की विधि भी शास्त्र में
This month's,
वर्णन किया है
how this month presiding deities took birth and all the glories as mentioned in Shastras. One time Brahmaji was sitting in his planet and he started to rub his hands. So there was some dirt came out of his dirt. And along with this dirt, there was a personality manifested. And he started to cry. He started to ask Brahmaji, "Oh Prabhu, what is my name?
आपने तो मुझे सृष्टि किया
You created me.
जब आपने सृष्टि किया
When you created me, and you should give me the name."
तो ब्रह्मा जी ने बोला देखो
So Brahmaji said,
मल से आप
"Since you manifested
आपको नाम क्या दिया
from the dirt of my hand, so I give you the name as Dirty Month." Dirty Month.
क्या होता है घृणित शब्द होता है
So this dirty is something like awkward. If you call someone dirty, they feel so much insulted.
और देखो ऐसे मल शब्द सुन करके
So by hearing this name,
हंसने लगे,
all the months started to laugh.
मजाक उड़ाने लगे,
They started to joke, tease him.
तो बहुत दुखित हुए।
So this month,
12 महीने
dirty month, started to
इसके नाम बैसाख मास है,
lament himself.
नाम से बैसाख मास है।
See the 12 months, Vishak Mas, Chaitra Mas, Jeshta Mas, all names are so beautiful.
और इनके पास नाम क्या है?
But his name is Dirty, Mal Mas, dirty month.
एक दिन भ्रमण करते करते
So one day,
नारद ऋषि पधारे।
wandering here and there, he met Narad Rishi.
इनका
In front of Narad Rishi, this dirty month started to speak. See, Brahmaji has given me the name called Malmas, dirty month. Narad Rishi said, okay, don't worry, come with me. We'll go to Vaikunt. So Narad Rishi took this dirty month and he went to Golok Vrindavan, where Lord Golok Vrindavan? Vaikunt. So he went to Vaikunt, where Lord Vishnu is residing there. By seeing this person, dirty person, Lord Vishnu became so merciful unto me and asked, why are you so sad? In my transcendental world, everyone should be happy, but you are so sad. What is the reason? So then this dirty month, Malma, started to say his story. By hearing this, Lord Vishnu became merciful unto him and said, from today, I will give you my name to you. What is my name? Purushottam. Bol Bhagavan Purushottam ki jai. See how Lord is so merciful. He gave his name to this month, Purushottam Mas. And from that day it is known as Purushottam Mas.
लोग मुझे जैसे पूजा करते हैं,
And Lord also said, like how people worship me, in the same way they will worship you also.
और जो मेरा तुम्हारी पूजा नहीं करेगा, परमात्मा ने केवल पुरुषोत्तम
And whoever do not observe
नहीं करेगा, पूजा करेगा,
the Purushottam Mas, I will punish them if they do not follow the Purushottam month. In the Purushottam Mahatmya, it is mentioned, whoever do not do this Purushottam Vrat and who does not follow this Purushottam month, they will be the guest of the Yamraj in the hell planet. Guest means not honored, they are given punished there.
और देखो ये पुरुषोत्तम व्रत स्वयं भगवान अपने मुखारविंद से
So for this Purushottam month, Lord himself spoke the glories of this Purushottam month. Lord himself spoke the glories of this Purushottam month.
कौन सा व्रत? कार्तिक व्रत।
So every year we perform one Vrat, Vaishnavas. Which Vrat? Urja Vrat or Kartik Vrat.
पूजा माने शक्ति। कृष्ण के सर्वश्रेष्ठ
Urja means Shakti. Lord Krishna Shakti is Radhika.
कार्तिक महीने की एक
So this Kartik month's another name is Urja Mas or Urja Vrat.
ऊर्जा व्रत। ऊर्जा माने शक्ति। हर साल हम ऊर्जा व्रत, कार्तिक व्रत यहाँ करते हैं।
So every year we perform this Urja Vrat or Kartik Vrat.
नियम करके उस महीने में चलना चाहिए। दामोदर व्रत भी कहते हैं। एक राधा
And we also call this as Damodar Vrat. One is Radha Damodar and Yashoda Damodar.
यशोदा दामोदर की व्रत भी कहते हैं। ठीक उसी
One is Radha Damodar and another is Yashoda Damodar.
व्रत जो है,
In the same way, Purushottam Vrat also we should perform.
यद्यपि करीब 3 साल के बाद ये व्रत आ जाए,
Although 3 years once this month is coming, we should perform this Purushottam Vrat like how we observe in the Kartik month. In the same way, we should observe this Purushottam month also. Like how in the Kartik month we show the lamps for the Lord and we do worship of the Lord specially and we do Staustutis. In the same way, this Purushottam month also we should do. morning and evening,
क्या बोले शाम के समय भगवान श्री
we should show the lamp for the Lord, ghee lamp. And here in this temple also they performed lamps arati. In Ganga Arati also we also performed Deepdan. We showed lamp for the Ganga Mata. We performed special artis there.
और अच्छा ब्राह्मण भी मिल गया।
And we got one Brahman also there and we donated him also.
हाँ भाई देखो पूजा करने वाले ब्राह्मण हो रहे जो भी ब्राह्मण हो ना इधर में संतोष होता है। नहीं तो ऐसे ब्राह्मण मिल गया केवल पैसा पैसा मंत्र मंत्र को जानता नहीं है और क्या बोलते हैं वो भगवान जाने।
So we got a good Brahmin because he knew mantras and whatever we gave he was satisfied. But many Brahmanas will not be like this. They do not know mantras or anything and they will just take money and all. He do not wanted money also. He was very simple. He did not take money from us, but we gave money to him. He was very happy.
सबको दान दक्षिण दे ददाति दिव्यनाति होनी चाहिए नहीं है। ब्राह्मण के 6 प्रकार कर्म होता है।
Brahman has 6 types of karma. Not only taking, we should also give.
ऐसे होता है। कुछ लोगों के हाथ होता है नहीं है।
Some people's hand is always asking and some people's hand is always giving. We should accept the dan and we should also give the dan. This is the quality of Brahmin.
सेवा की वृत्ति होनी चाहिए।
So seva vritti should be there.
ये पुरुषोत्तम व्रत कैसे पालन करना है।
Like how this Purushottam Vrat should be observed. We should wake up in the Brahma Muhurta and perform bath. We should take bath and we should chant our Gayatri mantras. And we should do Harinam as per our committed rounds and then Tulsi Aarti, Go Brahman worship.
पुरुषोत्तम व्रत महात्म में बहुत विशाल लिखा है। हम पढ़ते जाए तो
So in Purushottam Vrat Mahatmya, it is very elaborately mentioned. If we just I start reading, it will be so long.
कैसे हम पालन करें।
So how we should observe this Purushottam Vrat? How we observe this Kartik month? Like we do not take mustard seeds and mustard oil and many things. And some vegetables, brinjal, tomato. Like how we observe Kartik Vrat, in the same way we all should also observe Purushottam Vrat.
और विशेष करके
And especially this month,
कृष्ण की महिमा दान करना चाहिए।
we should hear the glories and we should speak the glories of Lord Krishna. In the Shastras it is mentioned,
करने से
by chanting the glories of the Krishna, Srimati Radharani will be pleased. Ramayan, Bhagavat, we should read. Gita,
कम से कम गीता के एक श्लोक
at least one shloka of Bhagavad Gita you should read.
कम से कम कुछ नहीं गीता के धर्म के
At least one shlok you should chant. Dharma kshetre kurukshetre samaveta yutsavaha mamakaः pandavaschaiva kima kurvata sanjaya. At least one shloka you should chant. When you go for the bed, at least chant, at least half, at least read one line of one verse. So by this you will get so many things. Because in Purushottam month it's a speciality that Lord Himself will be pleased. Like how Maharaji also said the Medha Rishi's daughter's story. So this daughter did not follow the Purushottam month, although she heard the glories. In the end of Mahabharat story it is mentioned, Draupadi asked Lord Krishna, why I am suffered in my life so much? Then Krishna told the previous life story that you once neglected this Purushottam mantra Purushottam Vrat.
इसलिए पुरुषोत्तम व्रत की अवहेलना नहीं है।
So we should not neglect this month. Our Param Gurudev Srila Bhaktivinoda Narayan Goswami Maharaj used to say, like how in Kartik Vrat we do Kirtan, Radha Krupa Kataksha, Muninda Vrinda Vandite, Triloka Shoka Harini, Kaje Nikunja Bhu Vilasini, Brajanya Sonu Sangate, Kada Karishyasi Yamam Krupa Kataksha Bhajanam. Radha Krupa Kataksha. Same in this way, in Purushottam Vrat, we should do another stotras. Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam. Mandalam Sukarnaradya Kundalam Sujachikanga Chandanam Namami Nandanandanam Namami Nandanandanam Namami Nandanandanam Namami Nandanandanam Namami Nandanandanam. So Gurudev used to say this. Whoever chants Nandanandanashtak, Radharani is pleased. Whoever chants Radha Krupa Kataksha, Krishna will be pleased. So both we should chant. For the pleasure of the both, we should chant these two kirtan. And one more kirtan Gurudev used to say, Rup Goswami Pad's kirtan, Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande, Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande. So by chanting this, Krishna will be pleased. So in Braj, Vrindavan, they do not say Krishna, Krishna, they say Radhe, Radhe. Even in Vrindavan, till now. So if we chant Radhe, Radhe, the Lord Himself will follow us. Jai. So Radhanam and Krishnanam we should chant. And we should follow this Purushottam mantra especially. And we should have control our senses in this month. We should not be angry, knowingly or unknowingly, with reason or without reason. We should not become angry in this month. Shant, Prasanna. Our heart should be pleased and pleasant. So our mind should be, if you keep pleasant always, then you can attain the Radha Krishna very easy. You should not become angry. So Rup Goswami Pad, in the first verse of Updeshamrit, Vacho Vegam Manasa Krodho Vegam Jihva Vegam Udaropastha Vegam Etan Veganyo Vishayita Dhiraha Sarvam Apimam Prativim Sashishyat. Vacho Veg, Mano Veg, we should control. Krodho Veg, we should control. Because doing Vrat means the controlling our senses. How my bhajan can be progressed? One day in the evening, one person was riding on the motorcycle, bike. At that time, a police stopped him and said him to put your motorcycle on the side. Stop. The traffic cops stopped him. And he said, this has been night and you have not switched on your headlight. Hey fool, come here. So traffic police, he made him side. And I will put a penalty. Then he said to traffic police, so he's telling that, oh traffic police, I do not have light in my vehicle and also I do not have brakes in my vehicle. So go aside, go aside.
इस कथा को मैं जब सुनाता हूँ जब तक सुनने में चुटकी जैसे लगता है।
So I always speak this katha because there is a learning in this. So in our life we should control our senses. Vacho veg, mano veg, krodho veg, jihva veg, udar veg, upastha veg. All these things we should control. If a human being do not control this, then he is considered as animal. So observing this vrat is the essence of this only. Controlling our senses slowly and slowly. And always going towards Lord. This is the speciality that in Purushottam Vrat we should hear the Harikatha of Lord. So Maharaj is telling that Vishnu Maharaj speaks very beautiful Harikatha. Maharaj is telling that I am very happy today. I am having darshan of all the Vaishnavas. परसों सुबह
सुबह कितने बजे करेंगे? So morning.
So morning again we are going for Ganga Snan. There are so many glories here. Vaishnav Darshan, Ganga Snan. Today Maharaj is very pleased and happy. What is the topmost than Ganga Snan? That is Vaishnav Darshan. By having the Ganga Snan you can be purified. But having the darshan of Vaishnav will become more purified.
कंगार परस मिले पाश्चात्य पावन दर्शन पवित्र करी नहीं सका। अर्थ बताओ। गंगा जी को स्पर्श करने से नहाने से पावन करेंगे वैष्णव के दर्शन से आप।
So taking birth in Ganges you will get purified, but by the darshan of Vaishnavas you will get purified. So both names are there for this city, Haridwar and Haridwar. Hari means Lord Vishnu and Hara means Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva's gate and Lord Vishnu's gate, Haridwar and Haridwar. This is the gateway to Lord Vishnu and gateway to Lord Vishnu. And practically it is said, this is Haridwar, the gateway of Lord Vishnu. From here you can enter to any planet. This is also known as Deva Bhumi. And whatever the place is one of the 7 moksha, 7 places of liberation in the scriptures. One of this is Haridwar. Kashi, Kanchi, Dwaravati, Puri, Ayodhya, Mathura, Maya, Kashi, Kanchi, Avantika, Puri, Dwaravati, Chaiva, Sapte Mokshadayaka. So this Haridwar can give liberation. There are 7 cities of liberation: Ayodhya, Mathura, Maya. Maya means Haridwar. Kashi and Kanchi. Puri, Dwaravati.
गंगा जी को पूरे सुंदर रूप में सजाया है। कितने साल बाद आ रहे हैं?
So many years before we had come, it was so much decorated here. Almost 10-12 years before I had come here, and after that I am coming now again. At that time, very beautifully everything was decorated. So Ganga Snan, Vaishnav Darshan, and the Thakurji's beautiful form, Radha Madhav, which was established by Srila Bhaktivinoda Narayan Goswami Maharaj. So Maharaj is recollecting his memories that at the time of installation they had come here. Under the guidance of Gurudev, Srila Bhaktivinoda Narayan Goswami Maharaj, we had celebrated a ceremony here for deity installation. So this is a very auspicious place because our Guru Pad Padma has came here. Srila Gurudev Bhaktivinoda Narayan Goswami Maharaj, Sakshat Raman Manjari. So he installed these beautiful deities, Radha Madhav and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra is also there. Such a beautiful temple. So, leaving this, where should I go and how can I live leaving this? This is a proverb. So wherever sadhu is wandering, there is a Tirtha Kshetra. So Sant Mahatma should be there. So Krishnadas Prabhu also had come here for doing kirtan. Many devotees have filled this hall. So Krishnadas Prabhu was singing such a beautiful kirtans as per the moods of Gurudev he used to sing. And he also departed. Gurudev used to call him very near, and he was always engaged in the service of Gurudev. You will come alone and you will go alone. So we should do our bhajan, chant the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra and get prepared. At that time, Maharaj is collecting the memories that 10-12 years before we used to do kirtan here. We used to perform havan, fire sacrifice. So Maharaj is recollecting his memories again and again. वांछा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितनां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. Dandavat pranam all devotees. Hare Krishna. We'll show the deities now. Please stay tuned. This is Vijay Krishna. You are Radha Madhav and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, which was installed by Param Gurudev Srila Bhaktivinoda Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Jagannath Baldev Subhadra.
Thank you.